Another 6.9. We're making a change.
You're done with it?
To that right there.
You're done with it?
Okay. That's a little story. Had a water leak. Wind up with water in the base. A small amount, but enough. I think you can see the milk on the gears. Just wait. I think I pretty much took a wild guess what makes sense. Timing plate cover. So what I found was, I think this right here. This isn't a clean, smooth surface. I think that's where it's leaking. And it makes sense. If you look, where did I say it? Where did I say it? I don't know. It's telltale. Maybe. Right here. And right there. That might say rundown. I don't know. So. There we go. Once again. Have to see how this goes. We're going to get her together. We're going to prepare it. Test it again. Try it. So, thanks for looking. MCHL8 here. Thanks for looking. There will be a couple more.